Hey guys, welcome to the Rachel Cruze Show. All right, there's been lots of buzz happening around the old world of cryptocurrency. And I wanted to dive into it because people talk about this a lot. And I've had a stance on it, which my stance has always been. I'm not mad at it, but I don't think it's a great long-term investment until it proves itself. And so people got very mad at me, very mad. They were not happy with me, the fact that I was saying this. I'm like, sorry, y'all. And now, well, we're seeing a crypto meltdown. So we're going to talk about, hey, what has been going on and what can you do with your money to actually build wealth in the future? So if you're not familiar with cryptocurrency, I did a video about this. I'll put the link in the description so you can check it out. Okay, so what is the crypto meltdown? What is happening? Well, lots of things have been happening. Robinhood, which is a trading app, laid off 23% of its staff because of the crypto meltdown. And basically, crypto holdings have gone way down, way down, and the market is basically just crashing. And at the time of this video, digital currencies have now lost $2 trillion in value, which their peak was $3 trillion in November of 2021. So peak was $3 trillion, it's lost $2 trillion. So yeah, it's not looking great. Bitcoin is off 70%, you guys. Several major crypto firms have filed for bankruptcy and even gotten into like this pyramid scheme that they found out. I mean, it's just crazy. And some of these companies that have filed for bankruptcy are Voyager Digital, 3 Arrows, and Celsius. And now people are just talking about, yeah, this is the crypto meltdown or even the crypto winter. Will there be a spring? Crypto spring? We're not sure. And experts are saying that there's just going to be more and more firms, crypto firms, that end up filing for bankruptcy because many consumers now are facing huge losses because their rights to all their funds and their assets, some of them are just not clear. So here's an example. Celsius, which again is a crypto firm who filed for bankruptcy, in their terms, they did not guarantee that the user was protected with their deposits in an event of a bankruptcy, which means, yeah, they didn't promise their customers will get their money back if the firm files for bankruptcy. So when it filed for bankruptcy, it was a total loss of any and all digital assets, which sucks because that means just people, yeah, their money's gone. It's over, which is just, it's heartbreaking. It really is. Did I want to be wrong? I don't know. I was about to say, I wanted to be wrong about the crypto market. Actually, I'll say that. I kind of did because the idea of it, I like that it's digital. There's not like this huge government oversight, which I kind of like that too. Like, it's like, okay, maybe in the future, like this is going to be a new way and maybe it'll come back, all that. I don't know. But, so part of me was like, maybe it'll be okay. Maybe I'll look up in 5-10 years and it's had a really good growth. Well, it has not. It is not just, we're again, the stock market lost some value, but guess what, guys? It's gone back up, okay? So it's a mess. It's a mess. Okay, we're going to dive deeper into all of that. But first, let's take a quick break so I can tell you about our sponsor. So you're watching every cent, but prices keep going up. But did you know that there is a budget-friendly solution to the rising healthcare costs that's actually biblical? Well, there is, and it's through Christian Healthcare Ministries, America's longest-serving health cost-sharing ministry. So visit chministries.org/Rachel to learn more. Okay, so why did this happen? Why did the crypto meltdown begin? Why did it happen? Well, there's a couple of factors. A lot had to do with inflation, which caused the Fed to raise interest rates. And so stablecoin, not so stable anymore. Stablecoin, a type of cryptocurrency, was supposed to be equivalent to the US dollar, but it destabilized and collapsed. It's also become clear that so many crypto companies have been relying on loans just to keep them going. So here's an example, which I think is just fascinating. So when Voyager Digital filed for bankruptcy, they admitted that they owed $75 million to Alameda Research, which was owned by crypto billionaire Sam Bankman-Fried. And what's even crazier is that Alameda owed Voyager $377 million. So they're just like lending each other money, which just creates this unstable system. So that's kind of a high view. We won't get into like all the crazy details of the crypto meltdown, but just in turn, like that's what we've seen. It's been a downturn. In fact, like the biggest downturn we've ever seen with digital currency. So again, I'm not mad at crypto, but it just proves the fact that when you are putting your money in something that is not proven, you guys, it does not have a long track record. You can throw NFTs in here as well. So maybe long-term, we don't know, maybe it goes back up. I don't know. But the idea is that when you're putting money in something that does not have a long track record, you are gambling. Okay, so if you are out of debt and you have a fully funded emergency fund and you're funding retirement in actually places that have a long track record, like mutual funds in the stock market, then all that's covered and you got some money at the end of the month, you think, I just see that if I lose it, it's not the end of the world, it doesn't change my life, but I kind of want to play in this, that's fine. That's what you can choose to do. But when people cash out their retirement or they go all in on anything new in the financial industry that does not have a proven track record, I'm just like, red light, red light, red light, stop. So, end of the day, you guys, will it fail again completely? Who knows? It's not looking great right now. But the idea for you and your money, the end of the story of this is that I want you to put your money in things that you know you will get a return on, that your money will make you money in the long run. And that really is investing your money in the market, ultimately, right? You can do real estate even, there's other places to invest, but funding your Roth IRA, funding your 401k or your 403b, these avenues that time and time again show over a long period of time, it's not exciting, it's not flashy, but over a long period of time, it works. It works. So that's what I'm gonna just preach all day long. Again, I'm not mad at crypto. I feel really terrible for people that put their money in and lost it completely and have nothing to show for it. That's really hard. But again, we gotta be wise, you guys. You gotta be wise. Make decisions with money that you can prove to yourself and that there's gonna be a long track record. So if you have a friend who's interested in cryptocurrency, make sure to send them this video. And you guys, remember, it's all about taking control of your money and creating a life you love.